Do you want to generate 3D models faster? With AI you can. In this video we are going to explore MasterpieceX. I uploaded an image of the MetaQuest 3 and I click on generate. And it took a while until the generation took place. But in the end I had a 3D model of the MetaQuest 3. This 3D model can be downloadable and you can also visualize it in the MetaQuest 3. I downloaded an FBX and I tried to open it in Blender. And this is the result. If you open it in VR, you can also manipulate it a little bit.